As you can see on the power cable, the black goes to the brown and the yellow goes to the red and yellow. That's the power cable that comes with the camera connected onto the video cable next. Once they're all connected, you can feed them back in the hole nice and tight. Get in there, and of course then you've got to get that rubber bung back on to stop all the water ingress. There you go, inside. And of course once you put your back fin back on, then you can attach this a little bit later, but now is to get this all sealed up, the two bungs back in to make sure that no water gets in. Pin back on, you've slid it back on, so as you take it off you put it back on. So then you've got your 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, which basically bolt back on nice and tight. They're the only 3 holding it on, so make sure they're nice and tight. At this stage obviously I haven't fitted the camera yet, I've just slotted it back on. Enough, also just enough length to fit it back in the case. I'm not going to take that case off, I think that's good weatherproofing for it, so I'm going to keep it there to protect it a little bit, and basically attach it to that. Facing down, it's in a good position. See, weather protecting, so I'm just going to bolt this back on now, and then we'll start fitting the camera. So what I've done now, I've set the camera in line with the position I need it to be when I put it in reverse. So I've tested it, and I put a bit of bathroom sealant behind it. I've stuck the back plate to it so it can be still adjusted. I've just set them in and wedged them in with 2 pieces of cardboard at the moment, waiting for that to set. Pull them out, put a bit more sealant in. I've also sealed the holes that were where the wires went through, put a bit more sealant around those rubber bungs to make sure no water gets in the future, and then we'll give it a test now. So I say I've already tested it, but so put the ignition on, get the screen to come up, put it in reverse, wait for the screen to find itself, and there you go, new camera. A bit of cardboard on either side of it at the moment, but I will soon have that off and we'll get a wide angle lens on both sides. Happy?